Welcome back to our fun learning video. Today we are going to learn about a horse. Let's begin. Look at this horse. The horse is brown and very strong. It has a black tail and beautiful hair. The horse looks very happy. It has big eyes and a smiling face. It has big eyes and a smiling face. Horses love to run. They can run very fast in open fields. Zoom zoom exclamation mark dot dot. Do you like horses? They are very helpful animals. People ride horses. Horses also help in farms and travel. Look at its legs. They are strong and powerful. Now say the name with me. Horse. Say it again, horse. Great job. Can you pretend to run like a horse? Run, run, run. So fun. Let's repeat again. Horse, horse, horse. You are doing amazing. Thank you for learning with us. See you again soon. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay well, friends. See you in the next video, God willing.